Data in its raw form has inherent meaning. Information is simply unprocessed data. Knowledge comes directly after data in the D-I-K-W hierarchy. Wisdom involves using knowledge in practical applications. Data footprints are only created when actively using the internet. Data loss can only occur due to technical malfunctions. Data recovery is a process of regaining access to lost or corrupted data. The D-I-K-W hierarchy stands for data, information, knowledge, wisdom. A data footprint can help in personalizing user experience online. Data becomes information as soon as it is collected.